MeghalayaPost.news.
Meghalaya Jaka dealers. Wansya Meghalaya Jaka dealers abadon hamotrum nompo riboy desing. Kajaka kabapila bantit di batkeliang yajan baro gijajli hagador kababil. Yawan mansim kabu bat bampin nombabe. Naga benta gajintip kabakambanya hila banpun hakinekin number room. Highway lai art nai new way. Lane ranyo dai sau san nyuk nai riu non lane dai lai riu dai pra UAR san UMLA kanot shillong wa Adelbert rum belasya suspend ha Voice of the People Party labu gejingkli halo Jingshai Pynkynriah Jaka Shong apo ing Dorbar ha kasis dang jong Dorbar Synrai ha ing Dorbar layo i bawa Adelbert ulasya Pynkynriah Jaka Shong ki MLA kaliang persya ke BPP ha ka bede begene wa Adelbert lopen pau gejing mustenat bat labu gejingkli nau Lamphang ke ing Dorbar ngalak ban Jingshai bele ba mangaku memilih ke BPP ngahap ban mat ya kene bele pipa Shong yang Shakashuki bahadin du lakli ba Adelbert habede begane Lamphang ing Dorbar utumas esma lakli ba Adelbert bahalor karul ayu ba labu ya kene jingkli nakaliang ba Adelbert ulapen syai ba klembu setia ya jingkli hendai pan Jingshai halor Jingshai suspon ju nakaliang Lamphang ulakular bu sakmi ya kene kam nakabong kam hap setia benikren ya kene kam hapo ing Dorbar.
Hello sir, sir excuse me, I'm supposed to interrupt, but sir may I seek a clarification from your esteemed chair. Like, why myself being as a, an MLA from VVP, be in this position? Last time I was in this chair. Now you are putting me in the back. So I don't know what's the reason. So may I get clarification from?
No, under what rules you are bringing a point of order? You can discuss it later on in the.
No, I did not raise any point of order, sir, but just to seek clarification. Because I remember from my party, they had suspended me on the 24/3/2025. What I'm raising my voice at a point of time that this is purely illegal, purely unconstitutional, because they are refer not in a proper address. They did not refer me in a proper address as a legislative, as a legislator. Adelbert, 17 North Shillong Constituency MLA. But they had refer me at the point of time as Adelbert Naurum, Mr. Adelbert Naurum. Shillong. Is it true?
Later in my chamber, this is not the appropriate place or time to discuss this on the house. Thank you, please.
MeghalayaPost.news.